If you could set your own starting salary, what would it be?
I guess for me it will be more than a lakh.
Second, I will have to think about it.
Okay. So, Ayat. Akshay. Okay.
The question I thought about much.
I would.
All right, listen up. Over 20 million Gen Z and Gen Alpha grads are about to hit the scene in the next few years. The demand for designers is exploding day by day across every industry you think of. Tech, gaming, fashion, you name it. And with India's economy on the rise, the vibe is just getting bigger and better. So we are here to find out what's going on in their head. Let's see. So what is that one app that you want to redesign?
I think it might be Ola.
I think I'll go for Snapchat. I think it's too overrated.
I think Facebook because it is very old now. DigiLocker.
Book My Show maybe needs a redesign.
Google Pay. Maybe Amazon or Flipkart. Pinterest.
Will be in shorts. You know in shorts, right?
Shorts.
Yeah, in shorts.
Instagram.
I don't know, Photoshop maybe.
Photoshop.
And WhatsApp.
Oh my god.
Don't ask me why.
I think government apps need to be more well organized because a lot of times there are so many services available. We don't really know how can we access those certain services.
How did your parents react when you told them that you want to pursue design?
I think they were pretty okay with it because my dad was like, dad is a designer, so
My mom actually suggested it herself, even though she's an architect. So
Also, I have the same condition. My father is an interior designer.
Actually, my mom made me do design. It was not my idea. It was my father's suggestion.
They were very happy about it because my mother is also from design background.
Oh,
Didn't say much. It was my choice. They supported me.
it's about it.
Yeah.
He's not agree. First, they were not liking it, but I somehow convinced them.
Okay. So if you could ask a pro designer any question, what would it be?
What is design?
What is design?
Yeah.
Like how to sustain in the field, like maybe I don't know because I'm going out. How to find a job.
Where do they see themselves in the future, like working or having their own studio? Or
How are you balancing both the design career as well as your relationship?
and why did they pick designing as a career?
I'd ask you whether you're making the world a better place or not.
If you could set your own starting salary, what would it be?
I guess for me it will be more than a lakh.
He's like more than 80K per month.
70,000 per month.
70.
But I would say the starting salary could be 50K.
I think it should be above 50,000 for every designers because we work.
Tell us what's one weird rule about picking colors? How you pick colors?
make sure the color interaction is right.
If it's like going with the like same intensity, depth, or
Choose a color according to the context, according to your user.
I think it's subjective. So just see it. Don't go for too much judgmental. If it's liking you in first sight, just get it. That's it.
based on the vibe.
Why?
And, yeah, based
Oh,
on
I
the
need
vibe.
details.
So if you are deciding a color for a consumer brand, mostly you can go with the blue because the blue depicts harmony, trust, and that kind of thing. So it plays a vital role in it.
I do is I just mix and match. I don't have a rule for that. I just mix and match, and what works works.
What is the weirdest way you have come up with an idea?
Scroll through Canva.
Canva.
हाँ उसके pre-made templates से.
Oh.
Usually I'd say this is very cliche, but generally it'll be while being in the washroom.
Doodling.
I asked my grandmother. She really have got good ideas.
Really?
Yeah. Because I think it's very underrated that our families don't have ideas, but then families do have better ideas than the teachers have.
Then came up
So
with.
आप लोगों में plagiarism test नहीं होता क्या?
No.
At what age did you start your design journey?
I started from 12, I guess.
I started at the age of 17.
I think when I was 22 or 23, I just
Started design when I was 3 years old.
When I was 18.
कब decide किया आपने?
I think 16. After 12.
I think when I was 18, yeah.
And if you had a chance to go back
Mhm.
and start it early,
Mhm.
would you choose it?
Yeah, I will definitely choose it.
Things go according to the flow, and you should also flow with the flow. So sometimes instead of deciding, you can be in the flow and decide with the flow.
Yeah, of course. Courses I would take up earlier.
But if I ever knew about design in the past, I'd probably say from my school days that I'd wanted to design because I realized back then only what I really wanted to do.
No.
No?
I don't know. I don't know.
And I'm a Pisces. So that also plays a very important role in me selecting a career.
Great interview. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.